Hello, friends. How are you? Great. I am also very good. Friends, as everybody knows, there are three main tenses in English, and it's fact that there are four subtypes of each main tense. So, it is normally accepted that there are total 12 tenses in English. Okay, that's good. In my opinion, I think that these 12 tenses are the pillars of English. And there is no doubt that the three forms of verbs are the pillars of these 12 tenses. So I feel that it might be better to learn the three forms of verbs by heart. In my humble opinion, I want to say you that without learning three forms of verbs, you cannot easily speak English. That's why I suggest you should learn the three forms of verbs by heart in the initial stage of English speaking. Okay, let's practice note number 11th. Sentence number 65. Enjoy, enjoyed, enjoyed. 66. Am is are was were been. 67. Believe, believed, believed. 68. Take, took, taken. 69. Say, said, said. 70. Prepare, prepared, prepared. 71. Stay, stayed, stayed. 72. Do, did, done. 73. Am is are was were been. 74. Have, had, had. 75. Live, lived, lived. 76. Sit, sat, sat. 77. Play, played, played. 78. Serve, served, served. 79. Join, joined, joined. 80. Make, made, made. 81. Laugh, laughed, laughed. 82. Sleep, slept, slept. 83. Am is are was were been. 84. Am is are was were been. 85. Drink, drank, drunk. 86. Work, worked, worked. 87. Go, went, gone. 88. Stop, stopped, stopped. 89. Keep, kept, kept. 90. Cut, cut, cut. 91. Cut, cut, cut. 92. Ask, asked, asked. 93. Buy, bought, bought. 94. Peep, peeped, peeped. 95. Step, stepped, stepped. 96. Have, had, had. 97. Listen, listened, listened. 98. Carry, carried, carried. 99. Repair, repaired, repaired. 100. Form, formed, formed. 101. Serve, served, served. 102. Understand, understood, understood. 103. Go, went, gone. 104. Eat, ate, eaten. 105. Come, came, come. 106. Take, took, taken. 107. Watch, watched, watched. 108. Take, took, taken. 109. Churn, churned, churned. 110. Make, made, made. Make, made, made. 111. See, saw, seen. 112. Say, said, said. 113. Take, took, taken. 114. Start, started, started. 115. Clap, clapped, clapped. 116. Speak, spoke, spoken. 117. Go, went, gone. 118. Go, went, gone. 119. Forget, forgot, forgotten. 120. Remember, remembered, remembered. 121. Turn, turned, turned. 121. Turn, turned, turned. 122. March, marched, marched. 123. Start, started, started. 124. See, saw, seen. 125. Watch, watched, watched. 126. Am, is, are, was, were, been. 127. Save, saved, saved. 128. Save, saved, saved. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, तुम्हाला एक छोटासा छानसा साधा गुड थॉट माहिती आहे. प्रॅक्टिस मेक्स मॅन परफेक्ट. प्रॅक्टिसने माणूस परफेक्ट होतो, म्हणून प्रॅक्टिस, प्रॅक्टिस अँड प्रॅक्टिस. तसेच अभ्यासाची संस्कृतमधील व्याख्या मी तुम्हाला नेहमी सांगतो. अभ्यास म्हणजे काय? कृतच्च पुनः पुन्हा करणं नाम अभ्यासा. एखादी कृती पुन्हा पुन्हा करणे म्हणजे अभ्यास, म्हणजे सराव करणे. ओके, लेट्स प्रॅक्टिस.